I'm Demetrius Jones. I work at Sonny's Enterprise in the machine shop. I'm doing machining about 7, 8 years, and it's beautiful. When I first heard about Sonny's, I had just came in from Texas, and I was just looking for a little something. Sonny sent me to school. It was a 4-year college, but I learned a lot more hands-on than in school. You have people that teach you and you move up. I had never done machining before. You just have to want it, you have to want to give your all, and they will give you opportunity.
My name is Farhan Keteru, and I'm a research and development engineer in our controls division here at Sonny. My dad works here. He's been working here for about 18 years now. You know, he was telling us about his job. He's like, oh, you work at a car wash, big deal. But you know, he brought me here, and it is a big deal if you come in here and you see the amount of work and the amount of things they get done here. It's amazing.
Other than my daughter, this is my family. This team, the salesmen, the sales coordinators, I mean, this whole company, it's not even just my department per se, it's everybody. We're all a team here. Couldn't ask for a better place to work.
So one thing that really stands out in my mind is when I was an equipment coordinator, the international sales manager at the time was preparing to retire. So he took me under his wing and taught me pretty much everything that has to do with being a sales manager in Sonny's. It was something that really stuck to me because he actually picked me and decided that he thought that I was the best candidate to take over his position when he actually retired.
Sonny's, they take care of us. They worry about, our home time. Every job is something new. We never get the same job over. It's a great company. It's constant challenges of how to maintain our time, get the job done.
Back then, there was not a lot of women in this industry at all. So for me to get on the phone and explain to some guy out in a car wash how to fix this, that was like awesome for me, because here I am, just this girl telling these guys what to do. It was pretty cool.
My story starts really when I was still in high school. The high school that I went to, I was fortunate enough that in 2003, one of the teachers approached me and he wanted to start a robotics team. I started to develop a relationship with the Sonny staff through the robotics program. In 2005, when we were designing the robot, I was actually here in the same conference room, and then Anthony was in the room, and Anthony's like, I don't believe you, but if the robot goes that speed when it's all said and done, you can come work for us in the summer and we'll do some projects. And sure enough, that's what happened. So that's the first summer that I came and worked here as a high school student. During my first summer, my first project was the belt guard for the pump stations. So we completed the project, and today we're still using this rotational molded part in our pump stations as a belt guard cover.
If the employees feel good, the company will do good. I didn't know nothing about car washing, but I've learned a lot throughout the years. Then I told my supervisor, hey, I don't want to push a button, I want to learn. So he gave me an opportunity and I went on from there.
So my degree is actually in computer science, computer engineering. Originally, I started out in tech support right after college, and I was there for about 3 years. I said, okay, I'll start wherever I need to. Personally, it helped me grow. It helped me understand how car washes work. I've learned a lot talking to people and listening to them and kind of understand how their business works and how the whole system works.
I appreciate this job and this company more than I could ever imagine. Coming into this company and to see where this company was 20 years ago, and to see where we are now, what Paul has done to this company is like astonishing. It's just, I can't imagine what he's going to do to this company then, but it's just, the ride has been tremendous. It's been awesome.
It's just mind-boggling, man. This company has a lot of great opportunities. It has a lot of shots for people. And the things that we do here, the technology, the machines that we have in the back, it's amazing to take apart and make whatever you want out of it. And then say that I built it.
I actually ended up doing my senior design project as a mechanical engineer for Sonny's. I graduated in 2012, and as soon as I graduated, literally the next week I was working here as a full-time engineer. Throughout this whole process, I continued to mentor the high school robotics teams, and they have been inspired to pursue fields of engineering. We have hopefully inspired them to pursue their careers, and we have alumni of the program that are working at NASA, Facebook, Google, Microsoft. So the list just goes on, proving that the program works. And Sonny's truly believes in the program.
I'd say my favorite thing about Sonny's is the people. You know, in the controls group, I work with really smart people. All of them are approachable. All of them will share knowledge with you, and all work together to move forward as a team, as a company.
Team side is we pretty much live together 200 days a year in hotels, on the job site. So it is a family environment. There is a sense of accomplishment starting out, seeing everything in mud, all the construction guys here, and then as it progresses, then we get to the opening time when we're testing cars and that kind of stuff. And you can definitely walk away knowing that, look what I did this month, you know.
Once you get deep into it, you understand that there's a lot to it. There's more than just washing a car when you're building equipment, selling equipment. And I actually grew and now have a passion for the car wash industry.
I couldn't be happier with working at Sonny's. I wake up every day when I come to work and I don't feel like I'm going to work because I'm doing what I love to do. And I love the people that I work with. I love the management team at Sonny's. Everybody has always been nothing but inspiring to me in my career here at Sonny's.
This is a family environment type into place. Good people here, man, and the greatest thing about it, it's different, it's diverse. People from everywhere. It's not black, white, purple, and green. It's one, and that's what's perfect about Sonny's.